What you're seeing here is a look over the construction walls at Disney's Animal Kingdom, filmed on January 12th, 2026. And I captured this from a public guest area using a handheld camera, my Insta360 X5, and I didn't cross any barriers or enter in any restricted areas. So this area was formerly part of DinoLand USA, and now it's being cleared as Disney prepares for its next major expansion project. And what you can see is a huge amount of work, site clearing, staging areas, and all this groundwork. This is gonna be a large-scale redevelopment. And while Disney hasn't revealed every detail yet, it's clearly gonna be something themed along the lines of Indiana Jones and adventure and all of that. I've been out to Disneyland. This dino ride is pretty much the Indiana Jones ride. I imagine they're going to reformat this whole area. I'm real excited, but in the meantime, this footage gives you a rare ground level look at the early phase captured during normal park operations. So again, I'm using my Insta360 X5, so it shoots in 360 degrees. Take a look around, see what you can see. And just to be clear, I recorded all of this from guest accessible areas in accordance with the park rules and without the use of drones or restricted equipment, and it's shared here purely for documentation and educational purposes. But if you enjoyed these behind the scenes looks on how large projects take shape, I'm always filming silly stuff like this. Consider subscribing for some more updates just like this.